Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna go over who should invest on Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. It's a hot topic nowadays with a lot of documentaries and books coming out about the history of Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. So I'm gonna go over 3 reasons why you should invest and take this opportunity to the next level. Stay tuned.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hey guys, welcome to SimpleChew. I'm your host Hank, and on this video I'm not gonna go over the history of Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. I think there's a ton of information and documentaries on Netflix, online, YouTube, so you can go out and check it. So I recommend that you guys go out and learn as much as possible about Bitcoin. Go and learn everything that it's about, so you'll be more confident when you go in and invest. So investment is not for everyone. There's a lot of risk involved in investment, so even with Bitcoin, there's a lot of risk. So off the bat, I want to say that Bitcoin is an investment not for everyone. As with a lot of investments, there's always risk behind it and always rewards. So with Bitcoin, we're gonna go over the 3 reasons why you should invest. Don't put your money in one basket. Diversify your portfolio so you have the maximum benefits and gains. Always keep cash on hand for any emergencies, or if you lose your job, you have enough cash to cover your expenses before you jump into the next job. Reason number 1 you should invest on Bitcoin is there's only gonna be 21 million Bitcoins created. Nothing more, nothing less. We haven't reached the 21 million Bitcoins yet. We're gonna reach it around 2022. So people are still mining for Bitcoins. I'm not gonna go over mining, but you can buy whatever is available now. So knowing that only 21 million Bitcoins are gonna be created, you can start thinking that as supply is gonna be limited, demand is gonna be huge, bringing the value of one Bitcoin to the top. So for example, when I started learning about Bitcoin in 2010, it was only 1 cent each Bitcoin. Today, the market is over 4,300 for 1 Bitcoin. So if you would have put $100 in 2010, you would be a millionaire today. I think a billionaire. So as supplies are decreasing, or supply is gonna be stable, and the demand is already so high, Bitcoin's only way to go is high. So knowing that only 21 million Bitcoins are gonna be created, you can either take action now to buy Bitcoins at this price and hope it gets to a higher value, or you can mine your own Bitcoins. I'm gonna put a link below on the description on blogs and websites that explain mining better. I could go and talk about this for hours, but I think if you just go on your time and learn, it'll be better. Reason number 2, big banks and countries are actually taking Bitcoins really seriously now. Banks like Goldman Sachs and Barclays are developing platforms where investors can invest on Bitcoin's options and derivatives, attracting high-risk investors to put big money on Bitcoin, bringing the value up. Countries like Japan and China and Denmark are making it easier for Bitcoin exchange to exchange their country's currency with Bitcoins. Also, the government is backing up the value of Bitcoins, and that's how currency works in each country. If the government backs up the value of the currency and everybody agrees that that's the true value, the Bitcoin's value stays stable, and over time hopefully it goes up. And the great thing about Bitcoin, knowing that it's only 21 million Bitcoins only gonna be created, the government cannot make more Bitcoins. Reason number 3, Bitcoin is becoming a new gold. People who invest in gold are attracted to the fact that the government cannot regulate the value of gold. Supply and demand is king on the value of gold, and the government cannot print more gold and dilute the value like cash. Most investors, including myself, invest in Bitcoin like they're investing in gold. So I'm gonna go over a little bit about the risk of Bitcoins. Bitcoin is still in its infancy. It's really volatile, so the prices jump really low and sometimes they jump really high. So it could be really scary if you're really gonna invest on Bitcoin. Some people really panic. In my experience, I buy and hold and just don't even look at the movements of the Bitcoin's value. I just wait the next year, every year I check it, and if it goes up, I'm happy. If it goes down, I just wait and see how it turns out after the 21 million Bitcoins I release. And then you can decide if you want to sell them all or if they're worthless, or you can keep them, and that's the new currency that we use to pay for things. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a like if you like the video. Always remember, if you're gonna invest, don't invest all your savings. Always keep cash in your pocket. Remember that Bitcoin is a great opportunity to make money in the future, but remember there's also risk involved. It's really risky and the prices go up and down. If you are an entrepreneur, an investor, or innovator, I suggest you to subscribe. Also visit my website at SimpleChew.com. Also follow me on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter at Real SimpleChew. And always remember, keep it simple.